All right, hey everybody. Thanks for watching this. I just wanted to take a quick second and go over the Evolution Series 4 1090 integrated chain lock by Kryptonite. This thing is heavy duty. It's awesome. What it is it's 10 millimeters of six-sided chain link made from 3-ton manganese steel. I hope I said that right. So let me show you guys this lock. We'll start with the sliding dust cover that protects and extends the cylinder where you're going to put in the key to unlock this. Next, I want to let's open this packaging, show you guys what's inside. Obviously, there's not a whole lot. You got yourself your lock here, and inside this packaging, you guys are actually going to find 3 stainless steel keys. One of these keys is, we'll just call it the main key. And on that key, what you're going to notice is that there's an actual LED light on this key. But you got your standard packaging that's inside. You got some paperwork, talks about warranty, which I'll go over here shortly. But we don't need that right now, so let's get that out of here. We got the box that was wrapped around it. All the information can be found on the website, so we don't need that. Again, we get 3 keys. Main key has a light. It took me a second on my key to get that light working, but hey, I don't really care. I don't use a light. I'll probably actually be keeping the smaller spare keys on my keychain just for the size. You can also register these keys through Kryptonite's website, so should you ever lose them, you can actually get them replaced. But again, this is 10 millimeter six-sided chain link. Very tough. You're not going to find many bolt cutters, if any, that even with some leverage on the ground and weight in excess of 200 pounds is going to actually snap through this. But let's show you guys how to open this up. I had read about there being a little bit of difficulty sometimes turning this lock, and I experienced it right away. So when you jiggle the key, you're going to notice how it just popped in a little bit further. You know you have this key seated perfectly in the cylinder when the plastic is almost touching the dust cover. So that's how far in you got to push that key. And you can see just the design of this lock. What's really nice about it is they've eliminated all the weak points on this lock by integrating that lock right into the chain. So that was a feature of this chain that I really liked. The other thing is this is just under 3 feet, the length of this chain as well. So that's enough where you can usually wrap that around the frame, maybe also the tire and the post that you're securing this to, which is going to be attached to the ground, obviously. Outside of that, this is just really durable. Again, you got your 3 keys, you got your 3-foot chain that's just over 6 pounds, so it is a little bit hefty. But at the end of the day, we just want to deter anybody who wants to possibly take our high-end bike, which this will be sitting on a Super73 for myself. Last thing I just wanted to cover was that you can go register this lock on Kryptonite's website and get up to $1,000 on a power sport bike covered, or up to $3,000 on a bicycle. All that is free your first year. So check it out. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, but go out there, keep that bike safe.